We are at the Super 8, 10th Street, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, across by the Dolly Farm Village Mall, and we're gonna take a room tour in room 104, 104. So that being said, as we come in, we have your luggage or backpacks or grips. This is the hallway. This right over here, that door goes into the closet, and that door goes into the bathroom. We'll show you in a little bit. And this right here is the king size bed. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Pretty bed? Yes, pretty. Very, very nice bed. We got a blanket and pillow. We have your nightstand with the good book and the phone book. With your lamp. We have your flat screen TV with your remote. Over here we have your desk, your mirror. Hello. We have your refrigerator and freezer with your microwave. We're safe. But yeah, the bowl is kind of like very dirty. And over here we have your window. A great view of the city of Sioux Falls, the interstate, right next to by the Dolly Farm Village Mall. We have your air conditioning unit. They're very, very clean as well. All right, let's go open this door up. So this is your standard hotel closet with your iron board, with your iron, with your hangers. All right, let's close this up. And now we'll open this door to head to the bathroom. This right here is your standard hotel bathroom. Here's your sink, mirror, hello, with your pipes. They're very clean. Hot, cold. Here's a toilet. Nice clicking button for flush. Over here is a bathtub with your shower head. Hot, cold. Nice for waterproof shower head. Cold, hot. All right, let's close this up. All right, let's take one more look at the room. So, what do you think of this hotel room? It's very, very, very nice. And unfortunately, my battery is almost going to die because I'm ready to go to bed. Because I'm going to have put it in the charger, and we'll save it when the charger is very, very full. Makes very white, and the batteries will be going to be good. So with that being said, thank you for watching, and that is all.